Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Bullitt County in southeastern Georgia, Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Liberty County in southeastern Georgia. Were located along the line from near Pembroke to Overskidaway Island, moving west at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Richmond Hill, Pembroke, entry Interstate 16. Locations impacted include Richmond Hill, Pembroke, I-16/I-95 interchange, Hunter Army Airfield, Windsor Forest. In Georgia, between Interstate 5, 81 and 3-mile markers 3 and 6, between mile 30 side of well-built structure and away from window well-built structure. These storms are capable of producing damage to winds. Continuous clouds ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms. Do not drive your vehicle through one of the roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Liberty, Georgia.